It's Jenna here, and today I'm going to be doing another episode of... Just kidding, guys. I'm not going to say, slime on you. Yeah, I didn't sing this time. I'm getting better at that, guys. Today I'm going to be doing just making a slime, because I just wanted to do one of those videos just making slime, because I had a slime craving, and yeah, so let's get right into the video. So, on this side I have things that you could add, like lotion, cornstarch, colors, glitter, shaving cream, all that kind of stuff. Then on this side I have stuff that you need to activate and stuff like that. I have glue, bowls, which I already have a bowl. Oh, on this side I do have a mixing sticks too. But glue bowls, more mixing sticks, saline solution, baking soda, Tide, and yeah. So let's just get started. So first thing, I have 6 ounces of glue here. So we're just gonna pour some, not all, because I don't need that much. And I'm gonna teach you a trick, guys, for making slime. If you're gonna make fluffy slime and you're gonna add shaving cream, take whatever color, which I'm gonna use teal. You're going to take whatever you want to color it with, or whatever color you're going to color with. You put it in with the glue before you do anything else. But if you're going to do lotion, after you put anything else that you want to do before the shaving cream, then do it. But then, just going to have some lotion, guys. But then you mix the color with the glue and whatever else you put in. And you could add more color after this. Then after you mix it all in with the glue, you would add your shaving cream. So, yeah. And then you would mix the shaving cream in, and to see that if the shaving cream is all mixed in, you would see all the color. You wouldn't see any white. That's another check. So here, I'm just doing that. Okay, I do not see any more white, but I do want a darker teal. Oh, God. Get a little rag next to me because I'm so dirty when I make them. That was so much. I'm sorry. It's like I'm wasting this, but I'm not trying to. It always feels like whenever I mix like the shaving cream, it feels like it's in heaven. It's already forming slime, but it's not actually. It's just me being me. We're gonna do some saline solution. Yeah, we're gonna do saline solution method. So a little bit of baking soda, and I just open these things. Oh, that was thin, but okay. That was about a teaspoon. I don't even have, I'm just guessing how much that was. I think that was a teaspoon, but I don't really know. No, I think that was a teaspoon. I'm not even measuring, I'm just guessing. I should probably measure. I'm just gonna measure for good luck. So there's a half a teaspoon. There's a half a teaspoon. So it's probably a teaspoon and a, it's probably like a teaspoon and a half so far of saline solution. Today's forming. I'm just gonna mix another. Just whatever. That's about a teaspoon. Oh, my things just got all wet. Okay. It's okay, I'll clean it. It's not on my bed, so that's the good part. Oh, yeah, that needs way more. Yeah, it needs a lot more saline solution. I won't put too much because I don't want it to pee. By pee, I mean it leaks. The color and the saline solution and the color leaks out. And it gets hard, and then it just like... Yeah. I love this method. It's one of my personal favorites because it has no borax, and yeah, nothing really close to borax. But like, It's just like peas. But it's like I've made slime like this, and it doesn't pee, but like most of the time it pees. Okay. We're gonna try to get the stickiness away. It's kind of a little bit of Tide. Because Tide works really good for me to get slimes unsticky. I guess if you add more, but again, I'm not trying to make my slime pee. I didn't use that much glue. But I added a lot of shaving cream because shaving cream I can get for like $1 at like any store. So, okay, if I wasted some shaving, if it starts peeing, I'm okay with that. But see, it doesn't pee out immediately. It like pees after a few days, after a day or two. So, one more squirt. Ooh, 2 more squirts. Sorry, guys. So yeah, probably just gonna be a long video of just making slime because I want to make a few different slimes. It's just a teal plain slime. I don't think it's sticking that much, and I hope it's not sticky. Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't like. I hate when slime goes through the sticky stage. Sometimes they don't, and sometimes they do. Everybody says that if it doesn't go through the sticky stage, then it's bad. And that works for me. If it doesn't go through the sticky stage, it's bad. It's bad slime. And it's going to the sticky stage, so hopefully this is a good one. I added way too much. I think I added way... I know I added way too... Not way too much. Sorry. I added way more than I expected and I did not want. But it's getting less sticky. It's just pretty teal. You guys can't see it. I'm going to shut my giant lamp off. Oh yeah. Ow, that's burning hot. It's teal. Let me get my big lamp on again. Oh, ooh. I'm going to start a fire. Just kidding, I'm not. I would never want to start a fire. Don't throw my pants, please. Might be going somewhere. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm sorry I didn't post yesterday. I did not have any video ideas. Today I just had a craving for making slime. Yesterday I didn't even make slime. I did spill my Tide though. That's pretty cool. So it's barely any. It's on there. Oh, just get that Tide off of there and into my slime. That's why I'm trying to save every last bit of my slime Tide. So I did my saline solution. And also just because I was like, I haven't done saline solution in a while. Ever since I found this Tide, I've been only using Tide. And I'm like, it's not favorite as a saline solution. I just thought using my pants saline solution, and I'm just keeping it in my room and like not even using it. So let's listen. Gotta do the Instagram swirl. So pretty. I don't know. Comment down below if you guys think I should add like glitters to this or something. But sorry about my hair too. It's like really there. I didn't bring bowls. Not bowls. I didn't bring. Smiley's dead. I'll be right back, guys. Okay. One time to go. That slime took 8 minutes. Okay, guys. It didn't actually take 8 minutes, but like it almost did. So I know the video says 8 minutes, but like I had to do my intro and stuff. Ugh. Get off of me. Thank you. I don't know why I didn't just use that. I should. I'm doing it. Okay. So next, I think I'm gonna use some Tide, just because I really don't even know why, but I just. Ooh, it's starting to pee. I hope this thing doesn't pee because I even have it in a really good container, like hard plastic. Yeah. So we'll just shut the saline solution because I don't throw in my bed. So let's get some more glue. I badly used about 2 ounces. Not their slime, but it made about 4. So yeah. I so didn't break this thing. Just kidding, I didn't break it. It wasn't the thing. See, it works perfectly fine. I would show you guys closer. There's glue on this. Thing is sticky on it. I don't know why. There's slime. I didn't even make the slime. I haven't made slime. White slime. Why? Wait, wait, I left some glue out and made slime. I made a mini little slime. I'm just going to add that to my bowl. Dirty bowl. I'm not going to switch bowls out because there's nothing on the bottom, which is on the side. So, yeah. That's good. That was a lot. That was 3 ounces. I only have like 1.5 ounces left. I don't even know. I didn't measure. Yeah, I have about 6.5 ounces. So, like, yeah. What color do I want to make? What color do I not have that much of? Ooh, let's do pumpkin. No, let's do jack-o'-lantern orange. Okay, because we don't make orange. Nobody really makes orange slime anymore, I feel like. You know what I don't have? I don't have any yellow slimes. I just noticed that. I can paint. No, we're gonna use this paint. We're gonna use my little tube of paint. There is somebody working on me, I think. I don't know if that's a person or is that a thing. Person, place, or thing. I'm gonna need to do more than that, but that's okay. Let's just start mixing this. This video's gonna be so long. I'm so sorry, guys. Oopsie. I should have changed bowls. It's already making slime. It's not a bad thing, but like, it's already making slime. Well, not that much of slime because I still need to add a lot of stuff. Okay. I forgot to add lotion. Shoot! I only add lotion just because I like my slime to be extra stretchy. Yeah. This one I'm probably going. It's the yellow slime. What should this yellow slime be? What should I add to this yellow slime? It's already fluffy slime. So, what should I do? What could I do? What should I do? What could I do? It's like a dandelion. I don't really want dandelion though. It's like a yellow-green. I just noticed that. I need a lot of yellow because the tide's blue and I don't really want a blue-yellow. Oh, I get to make green. I swear if this makes green, it's going to be so cool. I know if you had blue and yellow, but like, I wonder if the tide's going to like evaporate. Or just really overpower the freaking thing. Ooh! Mixing. Just keep mixing. Yeah, it's gonna need way more. I need a big slime. Wow, I'm very impressed. Kind of sad about it though. Like, I thought it was gonna make a way bigger slime. That's a big slime. Okay, guys. For me, that's a big slime for what I added. But I said it was going to be bigger. It's a weird thing, I know. Oh, it's not making a different color. It's just making it yellow, blue. Yellow and blue. Ugh. It's really sticky. Really sticky. See? Yeah, it's not going to be yellow anymore. It is so not going to be yellow. It's so going to be like, oh, ew. Ooh. No! Okay, we gotta get out of this. Come on, I gotta do Operation Slime. Come on, I gotta do Operation Slime. Don't let slime be wasted. Do not waste slime. Ooh, ooh, way too much activator. Ew. Woo! Hoo-wee. Ooh, hoo-wee. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Come on, we can save the slime. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, slime, we're all in this together. We're all in this together. I do not know if the slime's going to be fixed. It's very foamy. And ew, it's just very not goody. So yeah. Oh. Yeah, it doesn't stick back together. I'm so sad. What could I add to this to make it better? Should I let it sit? I don't know. Is it getting better or is it getting worse? I'm really sad, guys. I don't think the slime can be fixed. Nuh-uh. This video is almost This video is probably going to be like 25 minutes, and I've only made, I don't even know how many slime am I going to be able to make in 25 minutes. And I can't make the video longer than 25 minutes because I just don't like that. Oh! I'm going to cry. Nuh-uh. It's like sticking that together now. I should be the National Slime Fixer. I just need to play with it. Just need to play with it and add a few more ingredients, and you're all good. I mean, okay, so it's not as stretchy as I wanted it to be, but like, I don't even care. Oh, it's a green. It's green. I wanted a yellow, but it's fine. It still makes slime. It didn't go through this. Oh, it didn't go through the sticky state, but it did go through the stage that I was so scared that I was about to pee my pants. That I just wasted a bunch of glue and shaving cream and Tide, and yeah, there's a bunch of Tide in the bottom of my bowl. We're all in this together. Yeah, because that sound stuck out of my head. Who is that? It's so annoying. Puppy in the street. No. Get away. Get out of there. Oh, that's the little jerk across the street. That's okay. It's a little jerk across the street. This dog. It's okay. Found the room. He's right there. Whoever's snowplowing, just stop. I wonder if that's my dad. No, it's not my dad. We have snow plowers on the street, so we don't need to do our street. What if it sticks? That was really tough to break. What? It sticks! I do see all of my parents are sleeping. Every video I feel like my parents are sleeping. They don't sleep that much, I promise. I haven't lied to you guys. I've only lied to you guys for one thing. I'm not going to tell you what. It's nothing important. Promise. I wouldn't lie. I did lie once. Probably because I needed to. It was like a private thing. I absolutely needed it. What is it? Come on. Come on. Okay. Oh, lazy me puppy at the bottom of my door. Why do I keep screaming? I'm just gonna do it on purpose now. I'm just doing it on purpose now, but I wonder if it's peeing it. It doesn't pee until like a day or two after. That was a giant slime bubble. Oh, does this make a slime bubble? Can I make a slime bubble? I've never made a slime bubble before. I've only made air bubbles in slime. It's not sticky. There's actually a lot of slime, guys. This is actually really pretty green. I just noticed. I'm noticing so much thing. I'm getting sidetracked. Oh, get in there. Come on, get in there. There's a little bit of activator. I guess I could. Ooh, see, I'll show you. So I have a little bit in my bowl that it was like a little thing. So you just gotta play. Play with it, and promise it'll get better. So I'm not going to play with this one because this one's just ill, and it's like the aftermath of slime that you can't even fix, but like, yeah. So, yeah. Let's fix it. Ooh, get up in this thing. Question of the day is, have you ever made slime? And yesterday's question of the day was going to be, no, yesterday's question of the day is, have you ever made slime? And today's question of the day is, what's your favorite kind of slime? Butter, Oh, I'm not making butter by the way today because I just do not. This is supposed to be purple, but it's like black. Oh, why am I putting the color? Ooh, let's add some cornstarch. Not some cornstarch. By cornstarch, I mean baby powder. So, yeah, don't hate on me for that. Cornstarch. It says I'll show you the baby powder. It says baby powder, aloe, and vitamin E. Compared to Johnson's. Baby powder, cornstarch. Cornstarch. Baby powder, cornstarch. See? Oh, okay. So let's add some lotion. I'm going to add a bit more because last time it didn't work. So now I'm just going to make plain blue slime because I was about to make white, but I can't make white if I use a Tide, and I really want to use Tide again. Off camera, I'm probably going to make, like, more, like, should have done that way easier because that's really, really strong. Can I make this a really thick slime? Oh, that smell. I love the smell of baby powder, but, like, baby powder smells really good and it's just really strong, though. I think this needs a little more glue. I'm kind of breaking the slime rolls, but like, okay. It just needs a little more glue because I added so much shaving cream. Watch me add some more shaving cream. Ooh, that's pretty good. I'll be right back, guys. Ooh, my time's almost over. Sorry, guys. I just had to go get. I don't even know what I went to get. I went to get something and I forgot about it. I forgot when I got to the place I wanted to go, which was my bathroom. I forgot what I had to do. I didn't have to go, by the way. Oh, off camera, I did add a little bit of like these brown sparkles, and it's so nice. They're not like brown, but they're like these like purplish, like brownish, like. It looks okay. It looks purple. It looks brown on the camera, but then it's purple in real life, and they're really pretty. It's just like, hopefully, it's not the activator doesn't add too much glue because I really don't want it to. Okay, that is not enough activator, and we're not gonna pour from the bottom for something. Last time it added way too much. This is my last time because the video is 23 minutes as I speak. So yeah. I only wanted this video to be 25 minutes. I'm going to make the rest of this time, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. I finished it up. There's little pink spots in there if you could see. Because I actually forgot to clean my bowl and had pink in it before. So, but that's okay because I like it, and it actually looks really cool. And, yeah. The activator really didn't do anything to it. So, like, it activated, but it didn't do any color changing. Which, thank the Lord, because I would, like, been really upset. Like, really, 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 really mad and frustrated, and I would have hurt. My heart would have hurt. So, yeah. I'm happy that it worked. Nobody wants my heart to hurt. So I don't get a boyfriend because I'm not getting my heart broken. So, thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, give the video a big thumbs up, and turn on the bell to get notified every time I do it. And after you do all that, comment #done, and you will get a shout out in my next video. And comment down below video ideas. And yeah, remember to comment down below the question of the day. So, yeah. Oh, comment down below the answer to both questions of the day. So, bye. Oh, and you subscribe. When you subscribe, you become a generator. So, yeah, now it's actually bye. Bye. Ow!